Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about y equals to the integration from a to b, and we have f of t dt. So if we do first derivative of y, so we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t, so we have f of b minus, we need to do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t, we have f of a. So we can apply the formula for this one. So if we do first derivative of this one, that should be like this. So we need to do first derivative of b, that's it in here. And the value of b will change for t in here. So that should be like this. Minus value of a, we do first derivative in here, and number 0 will change for t. We know that this one, that is about the constant. So when we do first the derivative, you got number 0 in here. Now we just have only this one. So for this one, we continue doing first derivative. So that is about, we do first derivative of s to the power of 3, and this one will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of number 0, and we have 1 over 1 plus sine 0 square. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So we just have only this one combine this one. So they should be like this. Now we just do first derivative of s to the power of 3, and we have 3s squared. And this is the final answer we need to write in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.